In this video, we will learn how to insert area chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet, then select your data. So I select here my data. I select here by using the shortcut key Ctrl A and go to the Insert tab, then click on the chart option. Here the chart is inserted in Google Sheet. With chart editor also right hand side is added. Okay. In chart editor have a setup tab and customize tab. So first option in setup tab, the chart type. The chart tab is showing the column chart. So this is a column chart. Okay. So here I am going to insert the area chart. Just click on this drop down arrow to insert the area chart. You can see here the line chart, area chart. These are the area chart. So select the format those you want. So I select the first one and here the area chart is inserted. Then have an option the staking, just click on this drop down arrow, you can set as required. Okay. Data range, click on this, select the data range option and here you can change the data range also. You can add another range also here and click on OK to insert the data range here. Then X axis, so here you can see the X axis, the product name. You can see the product name here. Okay, this is a X axis. Okay, see the product name, tablet, speaker, smartphone, printer, same as here tablet, speaker, smartphone, printer. Okay, if you want to change the X axis, you can just click on this product name and you can see the list of heading of your table. So you can see the list of heading and you can select those you want. So I select here the amount and you can see here I select here the amount and you can see the X axis is changed with the amount column. Okay, now I again select the product name. Then here the series, you can see here the amount, rate per unit, unit sold and amount. These are the series, but here amount showing the 2 times. So I remove here the one series, the amount, and now you can see the amounts, rate per unit and unit sold. These are the 3 series showing here. If you want to remove, just click on this 3 dot, click on the remove. If you want to remove all series, you can it. Okay, just click on this unit sold. You can change here the series also. Okay, so if you want to add series, you can add here. If you have a more column, more heading in your table, you can add here the series also. Okay, so I just drag below and you can see the switch row and column. When you click on the this option, switch rows or columns. Okay, I just untick it and I set this. So these are the option available in setup the chart. Okay, to customize chart have a different option. Here you can customize your chart with the chart style, chart and axis, title, series, legend, horizontal axis and vertical axis and grid lines and ticks. Okay, so I click on the chart style option. Here the background color, just click on drop down arrow and you can change here the background color. Okay, the font also you can select here. You can see the changes on the font. Okay, then chart border color, so I select here the red color. Smooth, if you want smooth, you can see the chart style is a smooth. Compare mode, you can see the compare mode. So select those you want. I select here the smooth. Then chart and axis title option, you can add here chart title. So I add here the area chart. Okay, so here you can see the title is added. Okay, you can change the font also title. So title font also you can change here. Then title size also you can change here and the title format also you can change here. Color also you can set here. Okay, in series, so these are the series amount, rate per unit and unit sold. So here the line color, okay, line color series. So I just click on this, and here the red color I select. Apply to all series, therefore is apply to all series. Okay, so these are the three series amount, rate per unit, unit sold. I click on this drop down arrow and first select the unit sold, then select here color. So I select here the blue color for unit sold. You can see here the unit sold color is showing this, and also unit sold line also showing the blue color. Then I select the rate per unit and select here the different color. Now you can see the rate per unit color is showing different with the line of rate per unit showing this different. Okay, same as line percent here also select you can. So I line opacity I select here. Line dash, if you want the line dash you can select this. Line thickness, just click on this drop down arrow, set here the thickness. You can see the changes on line of the rate per unit. You can see here the changes also. Okay, point shape, if you want to different point shape star wise, you can see the changes star wise. Okay, area, opacity, and right axis, if you want right axis you can set here the left axis. Okay, data labels, if you want to set the data label, see the data label showing here. Okay, untick this, and trade line, see the trade line here, add it. Okay, error bars. Okay, so these are option you can use. In legend, position, okay, is auto left, you can see the position of series. Bottom side, you can see the bottom side position. Top, I set here the top side. Okay, legend font, you can change the font also. See the changes on the name. Then legend font size, see the changes on size. So I set here to 20, is showing best. Bold color, you can select here the, so I select here the red color. Okay, horizontal axis, so select here the font. You can see this is a horizontal axis. See the label font size, label format, text color, if you want to change here text color you can it. Reverse axis, you can see the starting font desktop. When I untick this, starting font tablet is a reverse axis order. Okay, then vertical axis, when I click on this you can see here the changes on these are the vertical axis. Okay, so I change the label font, see the changes on the vertical axis. Label format, color I used here, I select the different color. Okay, and these are the changes on vertical axis. Now last is the grid lines. So these are the grid line, you can see here these are the grid line and the vertical axis. So I select this grid line option and click on this drop down arrow, and here I select the minor grid line. You can change the color also. You can see the changes. Major grid line, in minor grid line you can see the color. Okay, and if you want to remove, just untick it. Okay, the grid line will remove. So this is a way you can customize the area chart. Okay. So I just click on this three dot to edit. If you want to edit, you can click on it. If you close this, and if you want to edit again, just click on this three dot and click on the edit chart option. If you want to delete chart, you can delete chart. If you want to publish chart, you can publish your chart. Okay, so move to own chart, and you can see here the full Google sheet showing the your area chart. So this is a way you can create area chart in Google Sheet. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.